Well, I mean, it certainly gives the judge an opportunity to draw a conclusion about what kind of co parent you might be in the future, depending on what it is that you're posting. And particularly when you're posting something when you're in active litigation. So you know you're under scrutiny, but you're still choosing to say these things and behave these ways in a public forum. That will give the judge great pause. In other types of cases, you're posting pictures about how you went on an elaborate vacation or how you went on a cruise, but yet you've got a pending motion for enforcement because you didn't pay your child support in the same month that you went on a Caribbean cruise. Even if you testify in court that your girlfriend paid for it or you won a free trip or whatever, it looks terrible and shows the court that there's something else going on. And it can be something as innocuous as you post a picture of a family out at dinner in a restaurant. Well, if you have an injunction in your temporary orders or someplace else that says no consumption of alcohol while you have the children present, and there happens to be a margarita glass sitting on the table and your kids sitting at the table, that gives pause to, are they violating the injunction? Now, the argument's always going to be somebody else was drinking the margarita, but why even get to the point of having to defend yourself on something so simple? So it's all the details, all the background, all the extra stuff that's important that you have to think about from a strategic perspective when you're in the middle of litigation of any kind.
Right. Because perception is everything. And so what, the poster is doing is letting their light out on social media, whether it's to, they think that they're showing off or they're putting on a good face and showing how loving it is going out with a family for dinner, thinking it's positive, but they're still trying to show us perspective. Well, there's perspective from the viewer can be a lot of different things. I mean, if you're the court, if you're the other opposing attorney, if you're the opposing party, I mean, the perception is that of whoever is viewing it. And it is not always seen positively, even if your intention is completely innocent to post a picture of you out with celebrating your kid's birthday at Chili's and someone does have a margarita at the table. Just know your rules, know what your orders say, and follow them.